Okay, Dominique, here we go. Mr. Formula, looping submission for the Welsh Beatbox Championships 2017. Ar gyfer pencampwriaeth beatboxer 2017, live from a hotel room down in South Wales. And we're going to use this yogurt pot here as the makeshift camera stand. What's up? Let's turn this around. Let's just get down into here, get the stand up like that. Hopefully that's okay.
Hopefully that does the job. So 3 minutes, let's get into it.
My name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula.
My name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula.
Yo, I'm rapping individual, coming through with the flow unmistakable. I'm an hand pretty that a hand street, cymryd down and gonna call it the handy. Ha, yo, I'm rapping minority languages, break barriers like it ought to be. Thought you'd see, emergency, that's mine who knew need for a key. Unbelievable, tell me about it. I'm lighting up the mic, no doubt about it. Shout it, in quality drum, I'm bringing the skill, billy, willy, dilly, dum, you be tron. Intertwine in my mind, appearing the mountains, I'm harder to find. So bring it up here, you'll be running in blind. And I guess that's the reason I'm still not blind, but I'm still bringing it hard that I'm mostly city MCs, I'm a starter. Of Chabra, I'm a martyr, rolling through the hordes with a mark and stigmata. Play Papra, you're disposable, coming through on my own, you're not so new. Yeah, you're not so new, and I don't double rhyme, I just thought I'd show you. My name is, check it, my name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula. My name is Mr. Formula.
My name is Mr. Formula. My name is yes.